To allow microphone and camera permissions on apps installed on Windows 11 PC. Just like this, these are the steps you need to take. First, click on the Start button. Then select the settings here. If you can't find settings here, click inside the search area and type the word settings. Select the best match, which is settings in this case. Once the settings page opens, you will be landed on a page that looks like this. Now, click on Apps. On selecting Apps, you will see all these options listed here. Click on Installed Apps. Once you click there, wait for you to see all the apps that are installed on your laptop at that point in time. Now get to the app you want to enable the microphone and the camera permission. Here, let's use WhatsApp. So let me scroll until I get there. All right, look at WhatsApp here. So what you need to do once you get to the app, click on the three dots here and select advanced options. On selecting advanced options, you will get to this section. You see this section, app permissions. Our interest is on camera. You can see it's turned off. I'll click on this button for it to be on. Microphone is turned off. I will click on this button for it to be turned on. If you still want to enable contacts, click on the button for it to be turned on. So with these actions taken right now, the microphone, the camera, and the contacts permission are now enabled on my WhatsApp, which we used as an example in this case. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. You can take a look at the video at the top part to learn more on how to complete some tasks on some software. Thank you and see you some other time.